Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to take you thrifting with me and we're going to go through everything I bought. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe and like this video, comment, all the good things, hit that notification bell. Yeah, so let's head to the thrift store and then I'm going to show you what I got. So let's go to Value Village, as I like to call it. Okay, so I didn't get a ton from this little thrift shopping adventure, but I wasn't actually planning to find anything. I just kind of wanted to go see what there is, and I found a few things, so I thought I'm gonna share it with you. So the first thing that I want to share with you is something I can't actually hold on camera. It's a garbage can, which is a weird thing to find at the thrift store, but we needed one. My boyfriend has been complaining that he doesn't like the garbage under the sink, so we decided we wanted one of those like push foot pedal garbage can things. I'll insert a video here. But yeah, we found it. It only had like a little bit of a dent and it was in pretty good quality, so we bought it because it was only like 15 bucks and these things go for like 70 at the cheapest at like Walmart. So that was a steal of a deal and very excited about that purchase. Then the next purchase, kind of a funny one. We're still Christmas shopping. This is the last Christmas present that we had to buy, but it's actually a diffuser, like essential oil diffuser for Kyler's mom, because she was okay with us finding it thrifted because we know we see these all the time in the thrift store. And then once we actually wanted to find one, it's hard to find, but we did find one. And this video will be out. She already knows what it is. We told her at Christmas, but yeah, so we found this cute little petite wood one. And yeah, it was only like, I want to say like $5, something like that. Yeah, this was a great find. So now let's move on to clothes. I only found 2 shirts because Kyler made me stop looking at clothes. So I don't need more because I sew clothes here on my channel. I haven't sewn much, but I'm going to be sewing more on my channel. But this caught my eye and I had to get it. It was $9. We all know I'm a hippie mustard loving fashionista, and I found this yellow like crepey cotton button up that I was just like, need this in my life. It's adorable. I'll insert a little video of me wearing it here so that you can actually see what it looks like as opposed to me just holding it up. But yeah, this was, did I say? It's only $9. Steal of a deal. Then the other shirt that I bought is also a button up because have we established I like button ups based on what I'm wearing today? I think we have. But this was actually in my inspiration or plans for 2021 sewing plans as like inspiration. I'll insert a picture here, but I found this blouse that I can actually do that with as opposed to making it from scratch because that creates waste and this is taking something out of the landfill. But yeah, it's just a simple white button up that I'm gonna embroider on. I'll probably do a video on the embroidery techniques, not so much as like a here's the full embroidery because it's going to take me a while to do what I want to do because I want to do all that flowers and stuff. But yeah, so it's going to go, I'll probably do a video on like floral embroidery tips and tricks and techniques and stuff. But yeah, I like this white shirt. And lastly is fabric. I usually don't find a lot of good fabric at my thrift stores in the city just because we're not a big sewer community here. Or I guess it's just because we're small. Our thrift stores in general aren't the greatest. But I did happen to come across a load of water-soluble interfacing, and I use this for my embroidery and soon-to-be online embroidery kits. So this is a steal of a deal. How much was this? This is like a lot for only $4. And I think this stuff goes for like over, probably 10 or over per meter at the fabric store. And I have probably like 3 meters of this, 4. Like I have a ridiculous amount of this. So I will never run out of stock for a while on this. But I am so happy with this purchase. This is so hard to actually find like interfacing at the thrift store. What? And then my last fabric find is this beautiful like sage green with like embroidery, and it's got gold threads throughout. Like it's such a unique fabric that I was like, I can't pass this up. And I'm thinking I will probably make a dress or maybe a kimono out of this. I don't know. There's a lot of fabric here as I just covered the entire screen. But I'll show a little close-up of it. It's the most stunning fabric I have ever seen from the thrift store. Like usually here it's just a lot of like quilting cottons or like almost like drapery fabric or like lining fabric. There's always a ton of lining fabric at the thrift store here. But like never these like cool fashion pieces. But I am so excited with this. This will definitely be in a video. I don't think I can really fit it into any of like my sewing plans that I had for the year, but it's just such a beautiful fabric. I could not pass it up, and it will be made into something very soon. So stay tuned. And yeah, that was everything I got. So it was a quick, small trip to the thrift store, but I came out with a lot, which is all you can really hope for when you go to the thrift store, is that you actually find something you are looking for. Or maybe not looking for, but you just can't pass up, because it's way too good of a deal. Anyways, that's it for me today. If you noticed the lack of machine here, it's still getting serviced from what you saw in my previous video where I took it to go get serviced. I actually can't remember if I actually filmed that part or not, but I included it in that video. But yeah, that's it for me this week. I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.